What's going on, guys? How you doing? I know you haven't seen my face before, but I'm Big Dollar Flare, and just want to say thank you guys for bearing with me through the videos and whatnot. But it's gonna be probably be a few days before I'm able to post any more videos. I gotta put my truck in the shop. I'm having issues with my truck right now, Mr. West. Mr. West. Mr. West is. I don't know if he's mad at me, he's working too hard or what, but we're gonna have to get them squared away, get them pampered or whatnot. But just want to say thank you guys for bearing with me, being supporters and everything else. Hope you guys have a good day. Hope your day's going better, way better than mine. But thank you guys. Peace out. See you guys next time.